Hello everyone, I'm Aswatha, handling the subject Data Science with Python for B.Tech Information Technology, 3rd year C section, Excel Engineering College. As a part of innovative teaching method, we are implementing the flipped classroom approach. In a flipped classroom, the usual way of teaching is reversed. Students take the lead, they learn the topic beforehand, and then come to the class to explain the concepts to their peers. This method helps the students to understand concepts deeply, develop presentation skills, and learn through the peer interaction. Let's begin our flipped classroom session, okay?
We are going to discuss about is pandas from C1 and the difference between a panda and C1. So basically panda is a Python library used for data analysis and data manipulation purposes. Which means the data analysis means retrieving information, useful information from the data provided, and the data manipulation means adding data, deleting data from the data set. So it helps to organize, clean and process large amounts of data easily. So just like we do in CSV Excel file, but in an automated and powerful way. So there are two main structures which are series and data frame. Here series is a one-dimensional data structure which is only rows or columns. But in data frame there are two-dimensional structures which are rows and also columns. So we basically use pandas for to read and write data from CSV files, Excel files and SQL database, filter based on some requirements, filtering the data and sort the data in a particular order. So it is also used for handling missing data in the data sets, missing values in the data set. So it is also used for perform statistical operations such as mean, median, mode or sum. So this is about pandas. Then Cbond. Cbond is a Python library. It's also a Python library used for data visualization, which is built on top of matplotlib. So it is used to create informative statistical graphics with very little code. So in this, based on the data that is possible, it creates a visualization of that data for better understanding. So we can directly import the data from Cbond and can plot using the Cbond library. So we use Cbond to create bar charts, line chart, histogram, line graphs, box plot and heat maps. There are different types of visualization. So the main difference between pandas and Cbonds are the purpose is data handling and analysis, whereas the Cbond is used for data visualization. The type, the panda is an analytical library, so which means used to retrieve information from the given data set. But Cbond is used for the graphical representation of the data, which are imported from the other libraries or given by the users. So it works on tabular data, which means rows and columns. But Cbond works on charts and graphs. So the output of the pandas are tables and statistics, whereas the Cbond is used for plotting the graphs and the visualization of the data. And it depends on NumPy library for its basics, and the Cbond depends on matplotlib and pandas. So for an easy understanding, panda is used to perform operations like calculating highest value in highest mark of a student in a given data set or find the average of all the students. But the Cbond is used to visualize the marks of each student so that we can understand the data and information of that particular student in a visual method. So thank you.